first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna do PHP artisan serve so that the server starts. Then we're gonna go into our browser, go into localhost, port 8000, and here you can see our Laravel application running. So now we want to do a change. So we're going to open up the code on a text base. You can use Visual Studio Code, you can use PHP Storm, you can use Sublime Text, you can use any text editor of your choice. I'm just gonna choose this one, and then you go into routes and then web.php. This basically will return the main view when the user goes into slash, just like slash, it's gonna return this view. We're gonna cover that in the next topics, but just do this change so that you understand what's happening, and just put something like test code, for example. Just anything works. And now as soon as you save it, browser, when you refresh, it's gonna say test code. So as you can see, it's so easy to edit the code. Now that we have edited the code, we're just gonna do a simple push into the GitHub so that we can see our code being pushed into the repository. So now we're gonna do git status, and we're gonna add that change of that file. Then we're gonna commit test code, and then we're gonna just push. Now when we go to GitHub, we should see our change. So now when we go into GitHub, you're gonna see that we just did a commit a minute ago, and here you can see the commit messages and all that. So this is the whole process of how to change code on the Laravel and how to push it into a Git repository. And this is important to know because it will help you save all your work and all your new code. Git is a necessary tool that all programmers must know. Thank you so much.